everybody. So I got this idea for this video, planning for post-surgery, but doing pre-surgery preparedness. So what I'm talking about is food pantry and restocking and keeping it frugal while you're on post-surgery recovery. I had surgery a couple weeks ago. It's a laparoscopic surgery. Everything is going well. But in that time frame, I was looking at my pantry, I was looking at the different coupons that were on my apps, and I knew that there were a few coupons and point rewards that were going to expire, and I did have quite a bit of points that I needed to use up. So what I did a couple weeks before surgery, went to the store and surprisingly found quite a few things that were on sale and was able to use all my reward points and those digital app coupons that the stores give you. So combined them pretty much all into one shopping cart and was able to load up on the pantry for quite a few weeks. Now, depending on the kind of surgery that you are having, you could have the duration of recovery can be from 1 week till whenever you start feeling better, up to 6 months. And now I know you can't prepare in 3 weeks worth of food for 6 months. That's not what I'm saying. But basic preparedness and getting your stuff in order while you're going with the pre-operation checkups and everything. So those are the standard. Most people are so worried about the doctor visits and the operation itself that they do forget to plan for the post-operation part. Once you're at home, once you're out of the hospital, while you're in the hospital, the nurses are there taking care of you 24/7. Once you go home, you have a few people taking care of you off and on. But then what really starts is after your family members go back to work, and depending on the kind of surgery that you have and how long are you able to stand on your feet and cook something, how long do you kind of have that prepared ahead of time, or are you just kind of going to wing it when you go with it? Some people know. If you've had a surgery multiple times, sorry if you have, because that's just no fun. I know that there are people that have had so-called the same kind of surgery over and over again, and so they're kind of used to the process. They kind of know what to expect. But I'm talking about the kind that you first time surgery and you don't know what to expect, and you don't know how long your recovery time is, and you don't know how your body's going to react to different medications, and that's normal. That's just part of it. I mean, we don't want surgery if we don't have to have it. Now, I am talking about regular pre-planned surgeries. If you're having a medical emergency and you need surgery, yeah, there's no time to prep or plan or anything. You just go with the flow and you have the surgery just to save your life. It is what it comes out to. Kinds of things that to look for at the store, things that are easy to open, things, food that easy prepping. A lot of prepared prep work is already done. Well, a variety of different items that you can purchase before your surgery date. Frozen fruits and vegetables make it really easy and convenient. You don't have to worry about any additional salts or preservatives that are as if you would buy the ones from the cans. Frozen vegetables are frozen quickly and put into the freezer right away, and they retain their nutrients and their minerals. And always do your own homework on this kind of stuff as well. Soups. Who doesn't love a good, simple soup? A lot of times after surgery, all you can eat is soup. If you don't like the canned soup from the store, you can make your own, but a lot of people do not have the time or are physically able to make soups and can them before surgery. So you can buy the cans, and there are healthier versions. They are a little more expensive, but if you're really looking into the health conscious soups, the healthier, the vegan but vegetarian type are really good as well. Or if nothing else, there are packets of soup, the dry soups that already have, and there's a million different varieties, from plain soups to different kinds of noodles in them, different kind of flavors. And they're the dry packets. You just boil the water and put the soup in, and within 5 to 7 minutes, you have a warm soup for your meal. Like I said, a lot of items you can make from scratch if you are physically capable of making those items. Bouillon cubes are also an excellent thing. All you do, just put the bouillon cube into the water and you have automatic broth. There's a variety. There's from vegetable to pork to beef to chicken. So the variety and taste options are out there for you. Basic preparedness. Have your medications ahead of time. Don't be looking for medication, pain pills, all of that after surgery, because you're not going to be with the program for a few days. And anybody who's had surgery can definitely tell you the first 3-4 days you want your pain pills right next to you. Doesn't matter if they are pharmaceutical pain pills or if you're taking natural herbal remedy painkillers. Just have those stuff ready by the time that you come home from the hospital, that you have those near your nightstand, near your bed or the couch, or depending on where you're gonna be parked for a couple of days. Have that stuff already ahead of time, even before you go into surgery. That saves a lot of hassle and headache after when you come home. So I hope these tips have been helpful for you, and I wish you a safe and speedy surgery and recovery. And if you're watching this video during recovery and have time, go ahead and put a comment below and let us know how your recovery is going. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.